And faith, this is the word faith. On Ezra said, the Bible says, it boys in the Bible. Creating faith today. Today is the 1st of April, so we must have faith. Faith, this is met eight boys in the Bible, creating faith on Ezra's head, the word faith. So we're gonna create it, this illusion. The word faith. Faith, a faith heart. So I'm creating this faith heart. Just customizing it quickly, as you can see. As you can see, I'm creating it. So have faith, guys, have faith. You can see it's gonna look. I want to show it to you when I'm done. Quickly, let me pause. So we're doing this faith, the faith heart, as you can see. And Ezra's head, and it looks something like this. So when it's done, so I'm cutting out every angle, every piece of, cleaning up every piece, every small detail, just for you to see it. You must have faith in what I do.